A small problem inside your home can become a very expensive mistake. A battery that cannot power your appliances, water that looks clean but isn't safe, a security system with blind spots, a hidden leak slowly damaging your walls. I'm Alex. Together, we investigate the problems homeowners often notice too late. We'll show you how backup power, solar systems, water filters, home security, internet coverage, heating, cooling, and other important home systems actually work. You'll learn what warning signs to look for, which solutions fit your situation, and what you need to calculate before spending your money. Every problem we investigate leads to a complete guide that helps you compare the available solutions and avoid costly purchasing mistakes. Your home is one of your biggest investments. Understanding it shouldn't be difficult. Welcome to Smarter Homeowner Lab. Expensive home problems solved. Subscribe and become a smarter homeowner.